In today's video, I have got an absolutely awesome method to share with you, which once you set all of this up, it becomes a passive income. Now, this isn't like the normal stuff I share on this channel. This is something I've been researching and looking into a lot myself lately. And originally, I spent over $1,000 on this, but for you guys watching, you can actually do this for free, and literally it will just take a little bit of time. So if that sounds good, drop a comment down below, and please like the video, I'd really appreciate that. But what is it and how does this method work? So let me come over here and we'll jump into this. So at this moment in time, I'm always talking about passive income on this channel and, looking into different opportunities. And this is something I've been looking at now for the last probably 4 or 5 weeks and doing research. Now, there's this company over here. It's called helium.com. I'll drop a link to this below. You can go ahead and check it out. But basically, this here, it's funded. It's by a cryptocurrency, which is known as Helium or HNT. And this is known as the People's Network. So it's powered by a new incentive model made possible through the Helium blockchain. Now, if I scroll down here, you see all of these things here. These are known as miners. Now, when it comes to mining with cryptocurrency, a lot of people think, I have no idea what it is, how to get started with it. And it normally costs a lot of money, especially if you're doing Bitcoin and Ethereum and, mining other currencies. But with this here, I like this because you see these devices up here. It literally, you plug it in and you start earning money. Sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? But if I come down here, you can see. So these up here, these are known as hotspots, basically. And if I scroll down here, you can see hotspots provide miles of wireless network coverage for millions of devices around you using the Helium Long Fi. And you are rewarded in HNT, this is the token, and I'll come to that in a second, for doing this. And because of this proof of model, basically, the energy it uses is incredibly low. But let me just come down here and I'll show you this. So these are normally the hotspots that you would buy. So you buy them, you plug them in, and then you earn money. And it still sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? You just buy this, plug it in, and you can earn money. But if I come down here, let me just show you how it works really quickly. So how are the tokens earned? Because what happens is you plug it in, it starts working away, and you earn these helium tokens, which are these over here. And you can see one helium token is currently at today's price $14.17. So plug it in every day. It's working away for you, and as a result for doing these certain tasks, you can earn these tokens. So if I come back over here, come down here, look, how are the tokens earned? Now look, I'm not going to go through all of this. I'll drop a link to this below. You can go ahead and check this out. But look, we've got something called challenges. So hotspots are chosen by the network to issue challenges. And then we've got proof of coverage. We have got witnesses. We have got network data transfer, consensus group, and that's pretty much it. So these devices, they're working away, completing all of these different tasks here for you. Pretty straightforward and simple, and it gives you an example on here of how much you can earn with one of these helium hotspots. But let me share something with you even more cooler than that. So over on the website here, you can actually go over onto here and check out all of the hotspots around the world. So anywhere where it's green, it means somebody has basically purchased one of these, plugged it in, and it's up and working away. Sorry, let me just get rid of this. So it's working away. So you can see we've got a lot of these over here in the US. We've got lots over here in Europe. But if I just scroll down here into the UK, I want to share with you an example so you can get an idea for this. So let's just come down here. Let's go Leeds way. And you can see here we have these miners down here, which are literally just working away. So if I was to click on any one of these, so let me just click on this one here, I can go into it and have a look at how much it's earning. So if I click up here, click view hotspot details, it opens up into a new tab. Come down here, you can see this is currently in Bradford, England. And you see here, look, this is the hotspot in the middle, and then it has other hotspots around it. Now if I come down here, let's see how much it's earning. So if I click on rewards, the part we're interested in, you can see in the last 24 hours, for whatever reason, it's earned nothing. But in the last 30 days, that one helium miner has earned $262. So if I bring up a calculator really quickly, why is that not working? Sorry, let me just type in calculator online. So they've got 262 for literally doing nothing, times the current price of helium, which is this over here, which is it's just gone up, $14.18, $6.18. That's earned $3,715 for doing nothing. It's just insane, isn't it? It's pretty incredible, really. So that's just one. That's this one over here. But you can go ahead and have a look at other ones. So if I click on this one here, for example, let's have a look at this one. Let's open this one up and see, the rewards over on this little tiger seal. Come down, click on rewards, 169. So again, if you just go over there, we'll do 169 times 14 point, was it 8? I can't remember. 14.19 equals $2,398 from these helium miners. So this is why I'm pretty excited about this, because as I've mentioned, I've been researching this a lot. I've been looking into this, and I've actually gone ahead and purchased some of these miners. So all of this information, you can come over to helium.com/mine, and it will walk you through all of this and show you how it works. But basically, essentially, you order one of these or buy one, it comes to you, it takes about 5 minutes to set this up, you plug it in, and then it literally just earns money. And then these tokens here, you get paid these into a wallet, and then you can sell them over on Coinbase or Binance or wherever basically, wherever it accepts this token here. It's a straightforward process. Now if we come back over here, back over to the website, you'll see up here we've got all of these here. Look, outdoor miner, all of these. Now, a lot of these are unavailable, or what I mean is, if you order one now, you're not going to get them until like Christmas time. And probably when I was looking on some of these websites, they've got a 20-week delivery wait. Now, I purchased a few of these ones here, this Bobcat miner, and if I go over here, you can see these cost $429 plus shipping, and depending on your country, you'll need to change this. But I did say to you that in today's video, this is a free method. So there's a website, well, there's a few websites, but this is the best one that I found from doing my research, is this one, not this one, which one is it? It's this one over here, and it's called Emirate.io, and again, I'll drop a link to this below for you, and you see on here, look, the easiest way to jump into crypto, get your cool spot and start mining today. Now, it's a free one, but here is the catch. See up here, look. So how it works, the cool spot mines and you earn HNT every month. 20% of your device's mining rewards go directly into your wallet. So they're going to give you one of these devices for free, but they're taking 80% of the profits. So you can go over here and click on apply to be a host. It's a simple form. Come on here, look. And we literally just fill in this information and go through the process. There's nothing for you to pay at all. Even the shipping is absolutely free. And they're going to send this out to you for free. And again, you can go through and have a look at all of this. I mean, look, you can refer a friend and earn 5% of their earnings. I don't even know where you'd find that. I'm guessing it'd be somewhere on the page maybe, or maybe inside of your account. Now, I've not gone ahead and taken advantage of this because, as I've mentioned, I've already ordered a few of these myself, and hopefully they'll arrive probably in about 6 weeks. But they're not cheap. They're $429. So if you want, a free way to make essentially a passive income, come over to this website here. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? This one over here. This Emirate. Click on apply to be a new host, and what will happen is, providing that they accept you, I don't really know the criteria. I'm guessing from what I know about this is they'll want you to have a couple of hotspots near or within distance for you. But these hotspots, they're popping up all over the place. But I mean, let's just go ahead and have a look at one that's maybe not got too many around it, so we can see some potential earnings. So let's just zoom in a bit more. Let's go over this way. So let's go have a look at this one over here, for example. We'll click on here, and again, we're just going to click on view hotspot details. Opens up, and let's see roughly how much this one here is earned. So if we come down here, click on rewards. So you can see here, in the last 24 hours, it's earned 0.56 HNT, and in the last 30 days, it's earned 1.65. Now, looking at this, it actually doesn't look like it was online for a while. So it's kicked in around here, and now it's also earning a passive income. Let's have a look at one more. Let's look at this one here. Let's view the hotspot details of this, and I'm going to scroll down and click on rewards, and we can see here, look, there we go. So this one here, not too many around it, saying 1 in the last 24 hours and 28 in the last 30 days. So it's a pretty cool method, I think you'll agree. So look, that is how you can go ahead and earn a passive income by literally spending no money. You go over to you go over to here, click on apply to be a new host. All being well, fingers crossed for you, they'll send you one of these here. You can sign up today and you'll get this sent out fast, and also, they cover the shipping for you. It comes over to you. It's got a full manual inside of how you do this, but basically, you plug it in, you download the app, and then every day, 20% of the mining rewards are put into your wallet, and that's it. It's pretty simple stuff, really. So yeah, go through and have a look at all of this, but pretty simple. I think you'll agree. The potential with this is huge. And look, if you've got some money and you can afford this, then I would definitely recommend go ahead and have a look at this website here and look at some of these miners. I'll save you a lot of time and effort. I went and reviewed all of these different miners here, and the best ones from, looking at earnings and the potential with this is the Bobcat miner, and also this one here, the Rack Hotspot miner. Now, this one is $429. Can't remember how much this one was. I know it was unavailable for quite a while. Yeah, look, they've still got a wait list up and running for this. But overall, easy, simple, and a great potential to make some money online and from home. So look, I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please give it a like. I'd really appreciate that. But look, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.